If you ever felt the frustration of searching high and low for the perfect DC2 effects, your struggle ends now. So let's see how you can download that. It's the DC2 effect download extravaganza. Now let me guide you through the steps. Navigate to the description box below and click the link to my website, tmworld.com. There you will find a detailed post. Just look for the heading at the top of the download link. Click the link or button that says something called Effects Download. Join our WhatsApp group for latest news and updates about my channel. Link is always given in the description box. Hey, are you wondering how to import these gems into DC2? I have got you covered. Watch my this video from the description box to see the detailed tutorial for importing these effects into DC2. Curious what's inside? Well, you will just have to watch. From dazzling visual effects to jaw-dropping transitions, this pack is a treasure trove for every animator. Hey, for more animation awesomeness, check out my course Master in 2D, the complete animation course. Enroll now and let's take your skills to new heights. Click right here for a sneak peek. Please comment your feedback about the video. Don't forget to like, share and hit subscribe for more information ads. Join our community on WhatsApp, VK, Telegram, the links are all down below. Until next time, happy animating.